I've done a few bottles of our sugar wash, and I've put them all in the freezer, and they're all lovely and frozen. And when they first come out of the freezer, they're a bit squidgy like this, you see. And then that one's a little bit more solid. That one came out the top of the freezer, but as soon as you squish it, you see, it starts loosening up. But I thought what we'd do, because I'm not too sure really how to do the next part to get the best alcoholic content. So I thought we'd do some experiments. Experiment number one, I'm just going to open the top up and I'm going to put it upside down into a bowl in the kitchen. And somehow I'm going to keep it in that position. So the theory goes that what's going to happen now is the alcohol is frozen or at a lower... Let's try that again.
Keep going, you have to edit it out.
Just stop for me. So the theory goes that the alcohol freezes at a lower temperature. So the water's already frozen and the alcohol should defrost quicker than the water. So, as you can already see, come in and have a quick look, James. There's already something happening in the bottom of here. So, hopefully, that's alcohol. So, I thought we would try a couple of different scenarios. So this one, I can see there's quite a bit of fluid in this one already. This one, I'm going to put like that in the fridge. So we're going to try and keep the temperature low so the ice doesn't defrost quite so quickly. This one, I thought we would pop back in the freezer and leave it upside down. So I can see, you see, the alcohol is running out of this one, or something's running out of it. So I thought you can see already the ice being left at the top, look. So I thought if we leave that in the freezer, the ice might stay frozen and the alcohol drips out. I don't know. And this one, I haven't quite decided yet what we're going to do with this one and where we're going to leave that. But we'll do something and we'll get back to you soon. And we'll let you know, basically, what alcoholic content we've got coming out of these guys. And we'll test those in however long they take to defrost. So we'll get back to you soon.